Hello my good friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And on my studio today, I want to show you how to enable and disable floating keyboard, the gboard. Google has a cool keyboard which you can effectively use when typing, and for today I want to show you how you can use this cool keyboard. First, before we proceed, make sure that your gboard app is up to date. Make sure it is up to date. If it is out of date, first you need to update. Then from there, you need to open any app that you want to type. For example, any app that you want to type on. You can check YouTube. I want to type, go on search, then you note the keyboard will display. Now, on this cool feature of a floating keyboard, on your keyboard, you concentrate on these three dots on the upper part of your keyboard. Then you tap on those three dots like that. Finally, you tap on floating. You can see now I have my floating keyboard, which I can move on any part of my screen whenever I want it to be. You can move it. When you type something and you can see your page is full, just tap on the keyboard, then you move it to the place that you want. You know that when you stay for some time while on it, it becomes transparent and you are able to see whatever you have typed on the background. Now, on this gboard, you can either resize it. To resize it, you just tap on the lower part of it like that. Then you'll be given an option to resize according to your wish, how you want it to be. You can resize it, you can reduce the size, you can increase the size, as you can see. If you wanted to move it from one part of your screen to another, you just tap on the keyboard and hold it, then drag as you want. Now, since you have activated the gboard, the floating keyboard, when you want to deactivate it, since now when it is activated, whenever you want to type, it will be a floating keyboard. When you want to disable it, you just tap on the lower part of the keyboard, then drag it to the lower part of your phone. You automatically note that your gboard has been disabled to your normal keyboard. Just for a tip, you can make it appear on your normal keyboard for easy. For it to make you easy to choose it, you just tap on these three dots, you hold on gboard, then drag it on the upper part of your keyboard. You know that anytime that you want to type, it will be on the top of the keyboard, so you just need to tap on it, then the keyboard will directly turn to the gboard. Thank you for listening. If you have enjoyed my tutorial, please leave a comment, subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you for joining me on my studio. We will meet again with another tutorial. Bye.